Now, when we talk about practice before the IRS, they're talking about it's effectively all matters connected with a presentation to the IRS or the service or any of its officers, what we call a taxpayer's rights, privileges, or liabilities under the law and regulations administered by the service. Such presentations include, but are not limited to, preparing documents, filing documents, corresponding with and communicating with the Internal Revenue Service, rendering written advice with respect to any entity, transaction, plan or arrangement, or other plan or arrangement having a potential for tax avoidance or tax evasion, and representing a client at conferences, hearings, and meetings. Most of what we do in this area happens to be probably this very last group about representing clients. You have a power of attorney, may you represent this person at that point? Are you qualified to do that? Are you qualified to practice before the IRS? You'll notice within this grouping, there is no place at all that says you can prepare tax returns and that's considered to be practice. I still remember talking to an individual who says that they've been practicing before the IRS for a number of years, and I go, really? I didn't know. Are you an enrolled agent? Are you a CPA or attorney? He goes, no, I prepare tax returns. And I go, but you can't practice. He goes, preparing tax returns is practice. And I'm like, technically it isn't. I wasn't going to argue with the guy. But bottom line is that that word is oftentimes used, and it's important as you go through here, is that when the Office of Professional Responsibility takes some actions within this area, they're basically doing things which says you can no longer practice before the IRS doing these items. They are not saying you can't prepare tax returns. That's a whole different series of things.